To calculate effective field goal percentage, we first have to code for effective field goal percentage. So to get this stat, we need made shots, made threes, and field goal attempts. So I've just selected a random player below. And if we just go into the sorter, get Woods. If we go into the sorter, we can see I've got an entire group here just for the shot results. So it's going to have our made shots, our made threes, and all our other field goal attempts. I've also got shot location and shot type. If you want to know how I get all of this information into each one of these instances, I've got a link in the description to my code window demonstration that will show you how to do all of that. But right now we're just looking for the shot result. So we come back into the output. Now you essentially just need three variables, the total shots, the made shots, and the made three. So total shots equals count label made 2, label made 3, label missed 2, label missed 3, where row equals player. In this case, player is just referencing the button ID of this button here, so number 3 Jackson. So we've got all this information. If you want to know why this word label is here before each one of these things, that's just because, for example, if you did not have that word there and you had 2 missed shots in a row, say missed 2, and that created one instance, that's only going to count as 1 missed 2. But if you got that label word there, it's going to identify each one of those missed 2, each one of those missed 2s in that instance and count it as 2 shots instead of just the 1. So that's why I've got that word there. So I've done the same thing for made, count label made 2 and label made 3, and then made 3, just the made 3. And then you just substitute each one of these words here for the corresponding variable. So made shots, made 3, and total shots. And then when I come down into my show functions, I've got show round because I want to create just one decimal point instead of some infinite number of numbers just create this massive stat. I just want to round it down to 1 decimal point. So show round and then just 2 brackets because I've just got 2 equations here. Effective field goal times 100 just to make it a bigger number. And then this one here is just how many decimal points I want it down to. So I just want it down to 1 decimal point and then plus the percentage symbol. So it looks like a percentage stat. And then this is here for the elite users who want to have a corresponding movie play when this button is clicked. So to show the made 2, missed 2, made 3, and missed 3, where row equals, again, number 3 Jackson. So hopefully that all makes sense. If it doesn't, just take a quick pause of the video and screenshot it. But now I've got my effective field goal stat, and if I change this play using the rename function, it'll swap, to the relevant player. And then when I click this stat, it's going to give me the corresponding movie. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any other stats you would like me to show you how to make, let me know. Otherwise, happy scripting.